Dad one with you. This is a vicious storm now. I've got some, we'll go through some pictures that I found off the internet. But this is a vicious storm. I mean, look at this destruction. This is in Puerto Rico. There's some of the ocean. But it has destroyed a lot of stuff. This is just some still pictures of it, because I'm not down there. I don't have any rights to anybody's videos. But this is some still pics. But look at the destruction. Look at that. At least they still got some power on. Look at the water falling there. Look at this water rushing through there. Look at these two water spouts. Huge water spouts. I thought that was a pretty cool picture. Two more huge water spouts. Just devastating. So we need to pray for all these people, you know, as much as possible. Because how horrible would this be to go through this? And they got another one coming. You know, this other hurricane is right behind Irma, and it's coming on. And I mean, this is aftermath from that storm. Just look at it. It's just horrible. I've heard that most all the vehicles were damaged, and power's out to most places. The interstate's still on gridlock. But just what a horrible thing to happen. And they've got this other hurricane coming right at them. Coming right at them. So keep good thoughts and your prayers towards these people, and for people in Florida, because we're going to really need it. And for the people that's already going through it in Texas and other places too. This is going to be a dangerous storm. I've got family that's staying down in Fort Myers, and I don't know why, but hopefully they'll be safe. But yeah, it's a very deadly storm. People, don't underestimate it. This is 225 mile an hour wind, you know, and it can really be damaging. Anyway, I hope everyone's doing well. Doing as good as you can. Anyway, God bless, good luck to us all. This is Chatty Dad 1. This is just some pictures from the Caribbean, to some of the damage over there. And that's what we got going on. This other one's right behind it. So anyway, hope everyone's well. God bless, good luck to us all. Never give up your guns unless you have to. Get supplies while you can, if you can now. And prepare for things like this to happen, and let's all stick together and keep our heads cool and help one another. And God bless, good luck to us all. Godspeed. This is Chatty Dad 1, over and out.